बीइंग अ स्कैम 1992 फैन डजंट मेक यू एन इन्वेस्टर। सॉरी दोस्तों, ये आजकल काफी चल रहा है तो इसलिए मैंने कहा कि इस पे बताना जरूरी है। मैंने भी स्कैम 1992 सीरीज देखी है एंड यस, इट वाज अ फैंटास्टिक शो एंड प्रतीक गांधी वाज अमेजिंग एंड एक्चुअली ऑल द अदर एक्टर्स वर आल्सो ट्रूली अमेजिंग। एंड काफी अमेजिंग बात है कि एक शो ऐसा ऑन स्टॉक मार्केट इतना इंटरेस्टिंग बना। एंड आई थिंक it's very difficult to do that, and I couldn't stop watching it. And like I told you, Pratik Gandhi was too good. The character, the writing, setting was also very good. And मैं क्योंकि banking background से भी हूँ, I could relate to it more. A lot of it I could understand also. The settlement risk that he talks about, you know, he used to take the advantage of the fact कि शेयर खरीदने में और पैसे सेटल होने में 15-20 दिन लगते थे। और it's kind of like what my job was in the banking, when I was in banking, so I could understand it very well. And it was just excellent drama, yeah, basically, and it brought out the 1992 scam really, really well. I was around then. I mean, I was in college at that time, so I understand, and that scam dominated the whole country's news. So it was, of course, a great show. Okay, now, but वहां पे ये बात खत्म हो जाती है कि इट्स अ ग्रेट शो एंड दैट्स वेयर द डिस्कशन काइंड ऑफ एंड्स। बट व्हाट्स अ लिटिल क्रेजी जो मैं देख रहा हूँ कि जो लोग फैंस हैं शो के, अब उनको हर्षद मेहता बनना है। आई एम नॉट किडिंग। यू सी सो मेनी इंस्टा अकाउंट्स आई हैव सीन, एंड लोग कह रहे हैं कि हमारा ड्रीम है कि हम भी हर्षद मेहता बने। पंटर बनना है, बेसिकली मार्केट में पंटर बनना है। कहीं ना कहीं उनके माइंड में उनको वो कैरेक्टर पसंद आया, वो हीरो पसंद आया, उनको लग रहा है कि हमें भी ये बनना है। And then they say ki they want to be investors like Harshad Mehta. Now, you cannot say that technically, because if you want to be like Harshad, he wasn't truly an investor. He was a punter and he was a speculator. It's not me saying it. Those were the allegations against him, and he went to jail for them also. That he was a market manipulator, front runner, and misappropriator of funds. So investors don't do these things. And it's not heroic to do these things. It's not good to do these things. It may look cool when a story is written and the drama is done and he show कि यार ये तो बेचारा इतने सिंपल ओरिजिन से आया है और इतने एकदम लाइक वो सच अ सिंपल गुजराती स्पीकिंग हिंदी स्पीकिंग बॉय जो इतना बड़ा बन गया, तो उसमें एक हीरोइज्म दिखता है। बट when you manipulate the market, you make people lose money. Those who didn't deserve to lose money, you take away, um, some savings of people. So it's not right to do that. And वो मैं explain करता हूँ कि वो सब क्या है. But yeah, he was so nice and so cool. And वो जो एक सीन था, जो रिच लोग जो ऐसे स्नॉबिश से थे, जो ऐसे एक्सेंट में बात करते थे गोल्फ कोर्स पे, उनको वो टशन में सुना के चला गया, तो हमें हर्षित मेहता बनना है। अगेन लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, ऑल दैट इज ड्रामा। मैं लिखता हूँ ड्रामे, कई बार तो मुझे पता है कि दैट्स ऑल रिटन फॉर इफेक्ट एंड दैट्स अ ड्रामा एंड इट डजंट मेक अ रॉन्ग अ राइट, राइट। एंड ऑल्सो that he got away with it, Harshit Mehta got away with the scam for a while, doesn't mean कि it's a career path, guys. Come on, right? Or like that you should do it now, or you could even do it now. You cannot do that scam now because there's just too much regulations in the market, too much automation, वो सब अब नहीं हो सकता। If you want to be an investor, then be an investor. Don't try to be a dramatic hero, because honestly मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, being an investor is actually very boring. It's like going fishing. जब कोई फिशिंग के लिए जाता है तो वो बैठा रहता है, मछली सुबह से शाम तक पता नहीं कब पकड़ेगा। इट्स नॉट अ वेरी एक्साइटिंग ड्रामा। मे बी कभी-कभी हो सकता है, in a moment he may catch a really big fish or whatever, but that's like going to be once in a month. But most of his days, if you make a movie about his life, he's just sitting there and thinking and just planning कहाँ पे कैसे करना है. So investing actually is not in that way very dramatic or makes you look very cool, but it makes you rich. And I think being rich is cool rather than showing off or trying to be cool in front of other people. Being actually having money and big money you made by investing, that is cool. So being an investor is good, but it's boring, right? Speculators, they don't, it's not a career path usually. And manipulators are people who front run or pump and dump the market. It means they will pump up a stock. First, they will buy something, then they will hype it up so that other people buy it, and then they will dump it. So that's called pump and dump. Again, these are people who are damaging other investors' money, right? Victims, there are victims of this. Victims are those people who fell for this, right? Now you may say ki they shouldn't have fallen for this. You're right about that, but still, it's not something you want to do, and that's not investment. Investment is not about stealing money from other people, even if they are snobbish or are rude on the golf course. That doesn't make it okay. As far as stealing is still not justified, even though morally it may look justified, but legally it's not justified, and you'll get into very big trouble if you do things like that. So it's not investing, it's good drama, but it's still bad deeds, right? A serial killer, you know, is a classic example. It makes great drama, and you may even start being sympathetic to a serial killer, or or a stalker. In some movies they show a hero is a stalker, and that you may sympathize with them because you know that hero is so much in love, but it doesn't make it right, and doesn't make it something you want to do, because you don't want to aspire to be a criminal. And I really don't want you to think that is what it means to be an investor. Being an investor is not to do a securities market scam. That's not what investors do. They save, they invest capital in companies that they think need the capital and will make good returns from it, and they wait long term. That's what being an investor is all about. So, which you can be, but किसी को नीचा दिखाना या किसी को ऐसे हीरो वाली लाइनें नहीं आपको मिलेंगी शायद. And that's okay, because being an investor is not about being a hero. It's about investing, making money, and hopefully one day becoming rich. हीरो मत बनो, इन्वेस्टर बनो, और ढंग से अमीर बनो. टेक केयर.